Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more investing tips and platform reviews. All the links mentioned in this overview are available in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using Finviz. In this Finviz stock research platform review, we'll explore its powerful suite of tools designed for both novice and seasoned investors. Finviz is renowned for its robust stock screener, enabling users to filter stocks using a wide array of criteria. These include financial ratios, performance metrics, and technical indicators. Whether your focus is on growth, value, or dividend stocks, the customizable filters help you pinpoint the most relevant investment opportunities. One of Finviz's standout features is its impressive data visualization. The platform provides detailed heat maps that offer a quick visual overview of market performance, segmented by sectors, industries, and individual stocks. This visual representation simplifies trend identification and helps highlight potential opportunities or risks. For investors who prefer a data-driven approach, Finviz offers comprehensive charting capabilities. These charts include technical analysis indicators and overlays, allowing you to track stock movements and make more informed investment decisions. Furthermore, Finviz integrates a news aggregator, compiling the latest updates from various sources. This includes press releases, analyst ratings, and market sentiment analysis. Staying informed about market-moving events, such as earnings reports and economic data releases, is crucial, and this feature makes it incredibly convenient. Finviz also includes a built-in portfolio tracking feature, enabling you to monitor your investments and analyze performance metrics in a centralized location. The platform caters to active traders who require quick, data-driven decisions based on real-time information. However, it's equally valuable for long-term investors seeking an edge in their research. The intuitive interface, coupled with advanced features, makes Finviz a powerful tool for anyone serious about stock market analysis. In conclusion, Finviz strikes an excellent balance between functionality and user-friendliness, making it a strong choice for investors of all levels.